Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start with safety and the first mechanical step. Lift and secure the trailer frame on stable jack stands, then remove the wheel to expose the leaf spring and shackles. Unbolt any retaining clips and use a C-clamp to compress the spring, pack slightly so the center pin is accessible. Once done, loosen the spring's U-bolts and hanger bolts enough to relieve tension. Make sure to keep track of washers and shims as you go. You now remove the old spring and position the new pack. Raise a jack under the axle to support weight, then fully remove the U-bolts and hanger bolts holding the leaf spring. Lower the axle just enough to free the spring, slide the pack out while watching for loose debris. Insert the new spring, aligning the center pin and eyelets, reinstall hanger bolts loosely, then raise the axle back so the spring seats naturally against the axle pad. This prevents You finish by securing and verifying. Torque the U-bolts and hanger bolts to the specified values. Use a torque wrench for accuracy and tighten in a crisscross pattern. Reinstall the wheel, lower the trailer, and do a slow road test to check ride height and noise. If you hear clunks or see uneven sag, stop and retorque, confirm spring orientation, and inspect shims and center pin alignment. This one troubleshooting step resolves most post-install issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.